See, I just don't know how this timing works. So I have a video up here of someone else playing a level, right? So they hit, I can go frame by frame. They jump down into this pit, right? They click when their thing here goes green, right? So they click on this exact frame, which is also exactly when I clicked it, right? Right there. I go like I'm just here. And this is when I click it, which is the exact same frame as this video over here. But so I go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm instantly falling the moment I click it, right? Now in the video, right, it's just the cube stays on the ground for 5 frames, right? It just doesn't go anywhere. So they clicked. They're holding for those 8 frames, right? So they're holding for that first 5. But when I do it, I'm holding for 5 frames and it just falls instantly. I don't get it.